Hello? Oh, Lawrence Evans, please. Constance Fitzsimmons. Well, I want to speak to him urgently about my new will. My dear girl, I don't care if it's with the Queen. I need to speak to him. Will you please put me through? Thank you. Oh, Lawrence. Yes. Well, I've been looking at this draft of my new will, and I don't like the codicils you put onto the power of attorney. I want you to delete all of them. Well, I'm afraid I don't care. It's my will, and I insist on having in it what I want. Now, will you please get rid of them? Yes. Now, you understand that. Fine. Good. Now, just one more thing. What have you done, if anything, about this new charity I want to start for the homeless bats? Preliminary work. Good. Well, will you speed it up, please, because I want to get cracking on that as soon as I can. Yes. Right. Thanks very much. Bye.